I've known lots and lots of folks that have been helped by the college. I remember one in particular. His name was Jason Fritsch. Jason came to us and started working on our custodial crew as a high school student, part-time. He went to full-time when he started at Kishwaukee College, and he went on to Northern and finally became an aerospace engineer. We were able to help Jason in his education and also his finances for his future. And that was a tremendous gift that not only the school gave him, but the people that worked here gave him.
Kishwaukee College, 50 years of pride, passion, and purpose.